If you're using Capcut and ran into that annoying manual dermabrasion error, don't worry, you're not alone, and you're definitely in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy fix to get things working smoothly again, step by step. Whether you're editing your first video or you're already a pro, this guide will help you get back on track in no time. So grab your device, take a breath, and let's fix this together. So here's what happened. When I clicked on Export, I suddenly saw this Pro feature called Manual Dermabrasion showing up in several parts of my video clip. Honestly, I didn't even remember using that feature. But don't worry, fixing it is super simple. Just click on the feature, and Capcut will automatically highlight the exact part of the clip where it's been used. It will automatically populate with the relevant tool in the retouch section. From there, scroll down and click on Manual, then hit Reset and uncheck the manual option. Now, go ahead and try Export again. Click on Other Part shows the same issue, and repeat the same steps until all error disappears. Once you've done that for all the affected clips, your video will export smoothly without any issues. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes and tutorials. See you in the next one.